How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. So hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to send Amazon gift card balance to another account. So just remember that Amazon doesn't directly allow this to user to send an Amazon gift card account directly to another account, Amazon gift cards. So what you need to do is you simply come over to this section, customer service section, where you can directly tell them what's your issue and tell them basically to resolve your situation. So as you can see, here's the option called payment, charges or gift card inside the customer service section. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, simply click on your issue related to problem with the gift card, and simply apply select the option called apply to a wrong account, because that may be your issue. And as you can see, it can be transferred to another account once the claim code has been redeemed. For more information, go to help. Simply click on I need more help from here, and you will be given two options. Either you can request a call to talk to their personnel from the Amazon, or you can chat with them, and what they would do is probably finish your or resolve your issue within the estimated hours. And that is exactly how you send your Amazon gift cards to fix your issue to another account. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.